Hi everyone, today we will be doing punctuation. So here is the punctuation. You have to go through the chapters every. So go through this chapter. These are the exercises we need to do. We need to do all these exercises. If you want, you can send me the answers in the comment. I will check and let you all know whether you are correct or wrong. These are the questions and question tags. Go through this chapter, solve the question, send me the answer in the comment section. I will check and let you all know whether you are all correct or not. This is about the sentences, how to create a sentence, ordering and validity of a sentence. This is all about sentences, subject and predicate. These are the exercises. Go through the chapters, solve the exercises, send me the answer in the chat. I will let you know whether you are correct or not, or the comment section. These are all the questions that we have. Let's do it till this. We'll do the next part next day. Bye everyone. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to enjoy my videos before anyone.